If you want to uninstall Skype because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Skype on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Skype. Click on the three dots to open the Skype options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall Skype and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Skype app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store. Search for Skype. Click on Skype. Press Get. Wait for Skype to be downloaded and installed. Now open Skype. Log in into your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.